सो नाउ कम टू फिफ्थ सम। तो फिफ्थ सम आपका क्या हो जाएगा, फिफ्थ सम इज देयर 40/29 कॉमा 141/29। क्लियर। तो देखिए आपका क्या हो जाएगा, फॉर दैट here denominators are equal. Okay, here denominator are equal. When denominator are equal, then you compare with numerators. So what will be the solution? Since denominator is equal in both rational numbers. Clear. Therefore by comparing numerator, so what will be there, 40/29 by comparing, तो आप पहले इसी का कर दीजिए, 40 is smaller than 141. Clear. Therefore 40/29 is smaller than 141 small/29. ओके, सो ये आपका क्लियर हो गया. दिस इज फाइनल आंसर. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज देयर. 6 इज व्हाट, -17/20 -13/20. ओके, so what will be solution? Since numerator comparing will be there as there in both rational numbers since numerator comparing will be there as in both the rational numbers denominator are equal. Denominator are same. Clear. Therefore दोनों में डिनोमिनेटर 20 है ना, सो वी विल कंपेयरिंग ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर. देयरफॉर -17 is smaller than -13. Therefore what will be there, -17/20 is smaller than -13/20. Clear. And this is the final answer. Okay, as we go in the left hand side, तो numbers being smaller. Clear. तो 17 comes left hand side of 13, तो नंबर धीरे धीरे स्मॉलर होते जाएंगे. Clear. Now question number 6 also get completed. Now come to question number 7th. Question number 7th is there 15/12. Now there is 15/12 comma 7/16. Okay, you have to solve this question. Okay, तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. This is very interesting question because in both the fractions, in both the rational number, their denominator of both the rational numbers is unequal. Clear? ऐसा नहीं है कि डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है एंड आपका जो है फटाफट आपका तुरंत हो जाएगा. तो देखिए आपका क्या हो जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर इज अनइक्वल, देन यू मेक बोथ इक्वल, बोथ डिनोमिनेटर मेक इक्वल. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट विल बी सोल्यूशन? 15/12 is there. So you do multiplication of each other's denominator in both the ये rational number. Okay, so 15/12, 12 में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगा? दूसरे फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से. एंड सेम एज 7/16 में किससे करोगे आप? फर्स्ट वाले फ्रैक्शन के, फर्स्ट वाले रेशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर से. सो 15/12 इंटू 16. Clear? तो is equal to what? 15 into 16, that is what? You will get 240. Divided by 16 into 12, you will get what? 192. Clear? Same as come to here. 7/16. 7/16 is equal to what? 7/16 into here 12. First rational number, what is the multiplication? That is 12. So into 12 into 12. So 12 6 या 84 upon 192. Clear? So you got for the first fraction rational number, you got this. For the second one, you got this. Clear? So now what you do? You do now comparing. Now this 240 upon 192 is greater than 84/192. Why? Because now the denominators are equal of both the rational number. Now both the rational number denominators are equal. So we will compare about the numerators. So numerator here, numerator 240 is greater than 84. Therefore 240/192 is greater than 192. Therefore now tell me 240/192 is of which factor? Of which fraction? This is of the 15/12. Therefore 15/12 is greater than 84/192 of which one? This is of the this rational number. So 7/16. Clear? So you understood? Now this is the final answer. 7 sum also get completed. Clear? Now come to the question number 8th. What is the question number 8? 8th is there, minus 25/8. Minus 25/8 and minus 9/4. Clear? So both the rational numbers are there. Now you have to compare that these rational numbers are equal or greater or smaller. What the relation in between all these three? As you did all 7 sums, that like you have to do also this question also. Its level also very good, this question, because here is 8, here is 4, so both the denominator are not equal. So now you make them equal. Okay, denominator से ज़्यादातर डिसाइड होता है in 99% केसेज. इफ फॉर द स्मॉलर एंड ग्रेटर वॉट एवर भी, तो डिनोमिनेटर पहले हम चेक करते हैं. ओके, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट सेम सो यू मेक इट सेम. इफ इट इज सेम सो इट इज सो इजी क्वेश्चन, यू कैन कंपेयरिंग विद द न्यूमरेटर. नाउ यू कम टू माइनस 25/4. दोनों में आप देख लीजिए क्या हो जाएगा. तो माइनस 25/8 है, माइनस 9/4. तो व्हाट विल बी सोल्यूशन? minus 9/4 you can multiply by 2 into 2, so is equal to what? minus 9 to the 18. So there is what? Okay, 18/2 4 the 8. Clear? and minus 25 upon 8, minus 25 upon 8. Clear? Minus 25 upon 8. Here is what? Minus 18 upon 8. Here is what? Minus 25 upon 8. ओके, तो आप इन दोनों में देखिए क्या हो जाएगा आपका, कि इन दोनों में आप देख रहे हैं माइनस 18 अपॉन 8. नाउ बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम. नाउ डिनोमिनेटर equal. Okay, and in numerator what is there? Minus 25 is smaller than minus 18. Okay, therefore we can write what now? Minus 25 upon 8 is smaller than minus 18 upon 8. Okay, or minus 25 upon 8 is smaller than minus 18 upon 8 is what? That is nothing but minus, this is nothing but minus 18 upon 8 is that is nothing but minus 9 upon 4. So it is what? Minus 9 upon 4. Clear? So this was your final answer. Okay, so this was your final answer. Now come to next question, ninth. Ninth is what? 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. So what will be solution? Three upon 5 is equal to how much? 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Here is 15 na? So make the denominator same of both. ये 5 when it can be equal to 15 when we multiply by 3. So into 3 into 3. So now it is what? 3 3 is 9 upon 15 here, and here is what? 12 upon 15. Okay, comma, and this is what? 3 upon 5, 9 upon 15. Okay, तो क्या है? Since 12 is greater than 9, therefore we can see what? Since 12 is greater than 9, therefore you can say what? 12 upon 15 is greater than 9 upon 15. Clear? Therefore you can say 12 upon 15 is greater than 9 upon 15 is what? 3 upon 5. Okay, therefore 3 upon 5 is smaller than 12 upon 15. Clear? So this is what? Final answer. Okay, this is final answer. Three point five is smaller than 3.5 is smaller than 12 upon 15. One second. 12 is greater than, so 12 upon 15 is greater than 12 upon 15 is greater than 9 upon 15. 12 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 5. Okay, this line I have written wrong. Okay, 12 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 5, or we can say 3 upon 5 3 12.15 is greater than 3.5. Okay, so this number is greater, this number is greater, we cannot write this number is smaller. Na, here we have written wrong, so you can write is 3.5 is smaller than 12.5. Yes, this is okay. 12.15 is greater than 3.5, means 3.5 is smaller number, so 3.5 is smaller number than 12. Yes, you can write in both form, no problem, easy. Okay, so clear. So this was the question.